Yes, I understand completely.
Yes, sister?
Brother, please come quickly. Hydra is doing something very bad here.
What are you saying?
Hydra, I put Ragnar to sleep. Go and get ready now. Today is brother's birthday. I'll keep cooking until then. Oh, thank you. I'm going right now to get nicely ready for my husband.
Luna, why did you call me from the office in such a hurry?
Yes, Luna, what happened? Why are you standing there so sad? Are you asking me what happened? Do you really not know what you have done? What have I done, Luna?
Brother, I saw it with my own eyes. Sister-in-law has buried Ragnar in the garden.
What are you saying?
Where is my Ragnar?
Come, brother, come to the garden. I'll show you. Hydra buried Ragnar there.
No, no! No, no, I didn't kill him!
Brother, Hydra buried Ragnar here. What? What are you saying?
Just shut up! My wife, why? Why did you kill our Ragnar? Why?
How could I ever kill our child? Luna, you took my son away from me and separating me from my husband.
Never spare you!